Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in some of our vehicle-specific gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series dashboard panel gauge package for the 67 to 72 Chevrolet C10. In this particular package, you're going to get a fuel level gauge, a water temperature gauge, a volt gauge, an oil pressure gauge, a clock gauge, a speedometer, and a tachometer, all featuring a black face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm fuel level gauge, water temperature gauge, volt gauge, oil pressure gauge, clock gauge, and a 3 3/4 tachometer and speedometer, all with color change buttons on the front. Also included in the packaging, full color installation instructions, a sensor and power harness, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 3-foot power harness for the clock gauge, a temperature sensor with bullet style connectors, a pressure sensor, a fine-tuning adjustment tool for your speedometer, a 7-color shift light, mounting brackets and hardware, gauge visors for sun glare, a complete replacement 7-gauge cluster dashboard panel, 2 green LED turn signals, and mounting hardware for the panel. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions or if you need any additional installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.